let's get started with the unboxing. Try not to destroy the ribbon since it's so pretty. Okay, there goes the flower. The ribbon is so pretty. I wonder if it can be used as like a twilly or hair tie. What do you think? Do you think this can be used on your bags or maybe as a hair tie? So gorgeous. This item is a navy flat card holder in caviar and gold hardware. I really love their gold hardware pieces. So this is the one, still the protective sticker on top. I have a black one, so this is my second flat card holder, and I find it easy when I only have a few items on the go. I think this is the authenticity card, so I shall not show that for privacy reasons. And this piece is made in, let me check, this is made in Spain. I think all of Chanel SLGs are mostly made in Spain now, and it's so pretty. So this 22C piece, and let me check for the exact color code. Hold on a moment. So the color code for this piece is actually N9318. So it's a bit different from, if you recall, in 21K I bought a navy zip coin purse in caviar leather as well, but this looks almost exactly like my mini flat back top handle, and it looks almost exactly like my zippy coin purse, but the color codes are different, so I'm not quite sure if there's some shading difference. But yeah, this is the first piece that I bought. And this is the packaging. Once again, this is an SLG design that I never owned before, so it's pretty new to me, and it's in a pretty Christmas packaging once again, as you can see. The ribbon is so gorgeous. I really like it when they have the Christmas packaging or the festive packaging, because it makes it, the design look so special. Okay. So for this piece, I'm not quite sure what to feel about it yet, because it's slightly pricier than the classic, but it's also a classic piece as well. So there's a flap, I think it's to prevent indents from forming, and this is the design of it. I've never owned a piece like this before, and I seldom see this in stores, so I bought it. So you see, as you can see, it comes with a clip button here in gold, black and gold caviar, as you black with black caviar gold hardware as usual, because I really love gold hardware. It opens up this way with 4 card slots. Yeah, and in these are just pseudo cards. So this leather line. So one thing about luxury brand, right, is that sometimes this is leather, but if you look inside, this entire part is actually canvas. I'm not quite sure I can see, and I don't want to damage the product, but if you peel hard enough inside, you can tell that the inner compartments, where nobody can see anything, is canvas. So you have 4 card slots, and also this is in perfect condition. I think there are natural creases here, but this is leather, so do set expectations. You can't expect something perfect. So you can have 4 card slots here, and then you have 2 compartments here. The authenticity code is here actually. Try not to show it, but to be honest, this zip part, which came as a surprise to me, this zip part is actually very small. You won't be able to fit you won't be able to fit your card. It's going to for coins and keys, which are very useful because I actually for the flat card holders, I usually can't put my keys or my keys will start falling out, so that's pretty dangerous. So as you can see, the authenticity card is inside here. I'm not quite sure how they stuffed it in. So when you want to take out something, you need to slot it. Actually, you can put it, you slot it this way. Look, you slot it this way, and it's not, to be honest, I'm quite surprised, it's not troublesome in the sense that I did not have to squeeze it in, because remember I said I definitely can't fit my cards inside. So you definitely can't fit it this way. You're gonna get hit here. You just slot it in. It's very easy because there's actually a lot of space here. So, and then you have the 2 zippers. You have the 2 zippers, and you have the little button here. So this is it, and it's not bad. It's pretty different from the usual card holders that I see. It's actually at a premium pricing as well, so I'm not quite sure how to feel about it. But for someone who collects SLGs, like myself, I will always have at least 1 mini case, 1 zip coin purse, and maybe the flat card holder. These 3 items they are must have. This is a unique piece, a seasonal SLG that I would want to add as well. I wonder where this is made in. Not that it matters to me at this stage. I personally don't really care. What I care about is whether the zips are smooth. And I actually bought this without even looking at the product. I was running a fever, so I made an online purchase. Once again, this will be out of the screen for a while. This is made in Italy. Yeah, this is made in Italy. So this is pretty smooth. So you just have to fit it in. Clip it. Voila. There you go. So I'll put this back now. I think the reason they have this is because caviar is very hardy. It's not going to dent at all. But since they provided this, might as well. Yep, this is my new SLG. Let me know what you think about this design. I feel that sometimes they start charging a premium because you can have a button or a flap, but it's still a cute little piece to have. That's all for my video for today. Hope you have a good Christmas and a good New Year's Eve, and happy 2022 everyone. Bye bye.